There's one. There's two. All right. Hey, they both stood up. Okay, I'm gonna clean those babies up today. That's my front rims for my 63 Cub Cadet. First thing I'm gonna do is wash them. Okay, so what I have here is a 1-inch wire brush, and instead of cleaning them, I was gonna clean them with soap and water. They're not that dirty. I'm just gonna hit it with this thing, and if I need to, well, I'm sure I'll have to eventually clean it with some soap and water before I prime it and paint it. Let's see how this works. Okay, that's working pretty good. So let me work a little bit more on this and I'll show you the results. Okay, so I was very impressed with this wire brush. It did a really good job. I can see just a little bit more touch-up work I need to do on this side. Now the inner is going to take a lot more work, but let's work on the other side first. And what I'm doing is just hitting the rim. Looks like there's a little bit more rust on the inner part of the wheel. Pretty good rust, deep rust right there. Yeah, I'm going to get me some more of these 1-inch brush. That works pretty good. Okay, so that's both sides. First run. And I'm pretty happy with that. Now let's try the inside part of the rim. I'm definitely going to have to use 2 hands for this. So let's see what it looks like in a minute. Okay. Definitely more rusted inside. But I'm happy with the results. As you can see what it looked like. And now I think it's going to clean up nice after I make probably a couple passes. So let's keep going. Okay, I don't know if I recorded that last thing, but I'm happy with the first run. Pretty much finished with this one. Let me do this one next. I'm just going around the whole thing, and it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to get busy. All right, this is pretty neat. We have the backdrop of my Cub Cadet right there. So this is what they look like after running the the metal brush over them with my drill. Let's see. They're pretty pitted pretty bad. So next I'm going to take a screwdriver and knock these pieces off because they're loose. I don't want any loose pieces. I'm okay with the pits. Just don't want loose pieces that could damage the tube. Ringo. I think my cat wants in. There's my other cat. Hey, Squid. So, that's what the other side looks like. I think it's gonna hold paint well. And now this one looks better. This is the one that was stuck. The tire was stuck. Don't really look better now, but yeah, it looks better than the other one. Okay. See, I think that can be knocked off with a screwdriver. But I want to knock off as much as I can. And then I've got some Osphos type stuff. Rust killer, I'm going to put that on there. And I might be okay. I'm not, with an inner tube, I don't think I'm going to have to, smooth that out any. Yeah. So anyways, the next step is to knock those pieces off and put that rust inhibitor on it. And then I'll prime it and paint it. That's it. Thanks. Alright, well, I'm waiting on my wheels. I've got to get some stuff to use before I paint the wheels. I'm going to make sure this thing will turn over. It's been a while since I've turned it over, so here we go. Alright. So it is turning over, which is a good thing. Okay, it is not froze up. So that's good. All right, back to the wheels, front wheels. All right, so I'm gonna have to get to the wheels, finish the wheels in the next video. So I just wanted to show you what I used in this one. And this was a 1-inch wire end brush that I picked up from either Home Depot or Lowe's, I can't remember. It worked really good, and I used my son's heart drill from a cordless drill from Walmart. That's their brand, Heart. Just wanted to check it out to see, what kind of drill it was. I think it was only $78 with the battery. And it actually is a pretty good drill. It's held up to a lot of punishment that I've given it. So, yeah, I mean, I'd recommend this. Now, you might want another one. I have a DeWalt that I use for my big stuff, but I'm going to have to replace it pretty soon. It's giving me trouble now. Getting kind of old. But anyways, wanted to show you what I used, and we'll get back on those wheels on the next video. Thanks a lot.